So this is Nadirah and Benjamin, Ben, and we are consultants with Mary Kay, and we are going to share with you today about a lash primer as well as mascara and a couple tips and tricks that you can do with that. And so it's not exclusively just for women. Skincare, hygiene, and grooming is great and beneficial for men and women. What do you think?
I agree.
Okay, so have you tried this lash primer before? Okay. So the nice thing about the lash primer is I think it's great for women or men who don't want mascara, but you want your lashes conditioned, and then you also want them separated and to possibly like stand out and be more prominent. But it's not gonna have mascara on them. It's clear, just like a conditioner for your hair, but it's for your lashes. You ready? What do you feel?
Well, it feels wet.
Oh, okay. Nice. So if your lashes need to be a little hydrated, then it's great for them. So, have you ever used mascara?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you like about it?
It just makes your eyes pop.
Yeah.
Makes them stand out.
So mascara, eyeliner, they make the eyes pop. There's lots of tips and tricks for that because of course some stuff can make your eyes look smaller, and then of course others make your eyes look bigger, all in what you want. This is my favorite. It's Fanorama, and you can see it kind of looks like a scorpion, but that's just because there's a lot of product at the end. It has a little fan so that can get all the little nooks and crannies, and then it also has a really nice brush to make sure it separates and lengthens the lashes. So you may not want like big clumps right on your eyes, and so a nice trick is you just get a paper towel or tissue, and then you're just going to pull the excess out with the wand, just like that. So you just have a little bit of product on there, which will just enhance the eyes a little bit. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, then you want to look.
Do I look enhanced?
You do. You look enhanced, enhancing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.